Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is another cook and clean with me. In this video, I'll be making wings, fries, and some baked lemon pepper chicken along with a side salad. I'll also be cleaning up afterward. So if you like videos like this, then keep watching. Also, this video is in collaboration with Amy from Team Darley, so definitely go check out her video. She will be making a breakfast casserole for you guys and giving you some cleaning motivation as well. I love Amy's channel. She is a mommy of 2 and she has a lot of cleaning videos and reorganizing and tips and all kinds of stuff. So definitely go check out her video and her channel as soon as you're done watching mine. So if you've been watching my channel, then you know that we get all of our meat from Costco, and this is the wings and the frozen chicken breasts that we get. And to start off with, I'm just going to put butter on the wings and a little bit of salt, and then bake them in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes on 375. And then as far as the chicken breasts, I wanted lemon pepper chicken. And so I just put butter on them and lemon juice and some organic lemon pepper seasoning. And I did the same as far as baking them in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. And that was just to start out with. This right here is something my husband got for Christmas. It's a whole lot of hot sauces, so we decided to make our own wing sauce using the Chipotle. And we used butter, white vinegar, the Chipotle sauce. I melted the butter, and then we added the distilled vinegar, and then after that we added the Chipotle, and then after that we added some ketchup, and we just kept adding different things to it until it got to the flavor that we wanted it to be. We also ended up putting some agave nectar and salt and pepper. And I really don't have a recipe for this. We just kind of played around with it. And so after we let them bake, we flipped them, and then we put the sauce on them and baked them for another 20 to 30 minutes, also on 375. And it just depends on your oven. Our oven really cooks kind of slow. We also flipped the baked lemon pepper chicken as well. I just didn't record that. Here's the little side salad that we made. It just has romaine lettuce, shredded cheddar cheese, a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and cucumber. We were out of tomatoes, so this was what we had. And while all of the chicken is in the oven for the next 20 to 30 minutes, I'm just doing the dishes that have been dirtied up since lunchtime. I'm standing outside my window. 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 I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on Bless his family. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you.
We found love. arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Oh, we can make it for the world to see, 'cause now I know you'll be a part of me. I wanna share my hopes and dreams with you, but will I ever see you again? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? When I get there, will I see you when I get there? Will I see you when I get there? We found love here, together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we made like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there?
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
guys, that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to go check out Amy's channel at Team Darlie, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.